We're here back at it again. We're each getting $20 and we're about to go thrifting. It's a good competition. Whoever gets the most bestest things outside of that place loses. And
all right, so the loser of this challenge is gonna have to not only wear whatever the other two decide to buy, but also we're gonna do a little bit of a game called What Are the Odds? I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. If not, you'll see throughout the video what it is. But yeah.
All right, y'all, let's get into it.
All right, let's see what we can find here. Pop-Tarts pretty good. You cannot go wrong with Pop-Tarts. Oh shit, all right, we got some Incredibles. That's dope. Oh wait, actually. All right. Let's see what else we...
look what I found, y'all. Ooh, wee. I got me some nunchucks and I still got money. Let's go. We're gonna, he thinks he won. He ain't won. I won. Bubble gun. $3, $4. I gotta find some bubbles though.
All right, so update. I changed like one thing, and I got a bubble gun instead. Cause you know bubble guns are pretty cool, but I'm still looking. I got this weird ass dude. That you're gay. Shut up. Let's see. I might have to update y'all. It's kind of hard to find. What is this? What is this?
Alright, bro, bubbles aren't cool, dog.
Bro, bubbles are the coolest. Alright, maybe. What about this little guy? You know what? Everybody likes paint. I think I'm gonna stick with my cactus plate. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm done. I'll just want to know if I have something else.
I found my shit. Yep. I won already. Look what I found. Son. Look what I found.
I've just found the best thing. No check, I'm gonna win. Look at this loser. He thinks he's gonna win.
Oh, come on, son. You can't go wrong with some Nickelodeon slime, bro.
But look at this, though. Listen. What if mine isn't
Say swear. Yep, I win. I found a lightsaber. Yep.
That doesn't count.
What do you mean doesn't count? I have a freaking lightsaber. I just found a lightsaber. Yep, I win. How much this is? It can't be that much, right? Actually. Jesus. Wait, what's down here? All right, all we're waiting for now is Jordan to finish getting his stuff right now. If he doesn't hurry up,
as you can see, your boy.
he might have to be disqualified.
Wait a second. Hold up. Which bubbles called bubble gun?
Because I got some Nickelodeon slime.
No, you don't. No, you
I got a freaking lightsaber and I got cash money, bro. Come on, you can't go wrong with this. Honestly.
So I got everything. This is all I got. Let's go check out. He doesn't know money shooter. What? And the lightsaber.
Oh, bro.
And Nickelodeon song,
He
bro.
won, bro.
Alright, he's definitely tier one.
Where we at? I think
It's up to you guys now.
Yeah, 45, 66.
we gotta go back.
Bro.
There's
Now we good. Now we
That
good.
should be
Now
good.
what you
That
mean?
should
Yeah,
be
we
good.
good. Yeah, we
That's
good.
fine.
We good.
We could decide with this. Can't beat Shazam though, I'm just saying.
Hey man, that's okay. All right, we just came out. A dirt sheet. All the stuff that we bought.
Yeah, we got it all.
We're gonna go to the car and decide who won out of all three of us.
Yeah.
And the loser, let's just say they're in for a surprise.
This is gonna be fun.
All right, so when we came back from Dirt Cheap, I came out with three things. You know what I'm saying? I came out with the Monopoly cash grab. You can't go wrong with that. And I got some Nickelodeon slime and a fucking lightsaber, bro. Come on, son. Like, I already know I won.
Does it work?
It doesn't matter if it works. I can still
matter if
fucking
it works,
smack the
bro.
shit out of you, son.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I think you lost.
bro. You tripping,
All
bro.
you got was 2 bubbles, my nigga.
Bro, I got a freaking
That's the coolest
nunchuck.
thing you got, bro.
Chill out,
You got
chill out.
2 fucking
Yeah, why
bubbles.
did you get 2 bubbles,
Why did you
bro?
get
There's no
bubbles,
bubbles in
bro?
here. There's no bubbles in here. You gotta have a who gets a bubble gun with no bubbles?
Still,
Tell
bro.
me who gets a bubble gun with
2
no
bubble
bubbles.
products, my nigga.
First of all, look at these nunchucks, bro. I got
Does your bubble gun even work?
and a bubble gun.
Does your bubble gun work?
Well, yes, it's very packaged.
I mean,
From Dirt Cheap.
That shit
It's
look like
kinda
it
got
was thrown
tape
back
on
in
it,
there,
bro.
Bro.
It should look like it was thrown back in there.
Hey, you just trying to roast because you lost. Because who the fuck
Are
needs
you
a light?
fucking serious?
Like,
I take your shit out? Yeah.
Yo, I got 3 things.
So
That's crazy.
I got the toucan, you know. But
Alright,
guess
the
what? That
toucan.
bitch light up and the light works.
I mean, we
alright?
can't really see because it's kind of light.
But I got
out
a
here.
cactus plate as well.
Okay,
Shit,
all right, cactus
aight.
plate.
And
All
guess
right,
what?
we eating good.
For you goddamn DC fans, I got me a Shazam chest.
Oh
bitch.
damn.
I got me a Shazam
Oh
chest.
shit.
Get at me.
Bro.
Damn.
Get at me. Come on. We know who.
Damn.
We know who came in second place, bro.
Than that.
Come on, bro. I got 3 things that are cool though.
Bro, that's
I
not
mean-
that. This what the fuck is this? Who ashtray? What the fuck you need an ashtray for? This light is okay.
that could
The
be
light is
anything
okay.
you want
The
it to
coolest
be.
thing you got is the light.
That could be anything you want.
I don't even know who this
fucking
guy is.
cactus
Who
thing.
is this guy?
Are you serious? You know who
this
Shazam
guy?
is, bro?
No. Who?
All right,
Who is this
all right,
guy?
Mr. Nunchuck Bubbles.
Bro,
Fucking this man got bubbles and nunchucks.
Bro, you gotta. What even is this? You
All
can't
right,
even fit
all right,
this. You
all
can't
right,
even fit this.
all right.
Bet I can.
How about
right
we
leg.
settle this in dispute of rock, paper, scissors? All right, best
all
2 out of 3.
All right, that's fair.
Okay, that
Hey,
seems
wait,
fair.
who rolled you out of these crazy?
I got Nickelodeon slime. I got a fucking Monopoly gun and I got a lightsaber.
Don't even light up.
I don't give a fuck, bro. I got Nickelodeon slime and I got a.
All right. You can get that.
Okay, I'm saying, because I'm pretty sure my Monopoly beats both this shit right here, dog, and then my slime will be whatever the fuck's over there.
All right, well, let's.
My lightsaber is just a cherry on top.
All right.
So is it best out of 3? Best out of 5?
2 out of 3.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, it's
Rock,
high.
paper, scissors, shoot. Fuck.
One.
All right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, let's
Damn!
go.
Damn! Damn!
Fuck.
Alright, so we're going back in there and choosing what he has to wear?
That's facts.
All right, let's go.
Because you got some extra money left over, right? We still didn't spend all of it, right?
see what
Alright,
he
let's
has
put
to wear
everything
to
in the
get
trunk
slime
real
in.
quick.
And we'll catch
Because I don't want to slime you in what you wearing right now. I'm going to have to slime you in some of that clothes, you know what I'm saying?
Let's go.
We really did buy a bunch of random shit for no reason.
But like, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cool.
It is kind of cool.
fun as fuck, bro.
It is kind of cool.
They knew we were videoing in there.
Your boy was a fucking loser, so
Damn.
I guess we gotta go see what I gotta wear and what are the odds comes next, man. Let's get it.
Damn. Alright, let's go.
Oh, shit.
Alright, we back in here. Alright, let's go to the ladies section real quick. We going to the ladies section. That looks kind of cute.
Oh, it should be tight, huh?
Yeah, it should definitely be
all
tight.
these curves.
What is this?
Oh yes, oh yes. Yep, you take the leggings, taking the leggings. Oh, what is this? What is this? Yes, sir. Team Bride. Let's get it, yep. What's this? Ooh, hold on. Ooh, we got the little strings.
Bro.
Yep, that's the fit. You want to buy him some shoes too? Oh yeah.
We could get you some shoes. Jeez.
Okay.
Yes, these are Sunday best.
We got the Nun 7s. All right.
These are $79.
No, I doubt
$79. That's gonna be about 15 bucks. Okay. 15, 16 bucks.
Oh wait, hold your shoes.
Alright, so this is a fit, bro.
Oh my God. How you feeling?
Don't talk to me right now.
Damn.
Something for him to wear, man. He wants something nice and comfortable.
Gonna be $22.77.
All right. Well, we just came out of the thrift store. We got Will's drip. Show us your drip. Come on. Show us the drip.
No, I got the shoes.
He got the Nun 7s. All right.
Alright, and I got that Britney crop top.
Okay. All right. What else you got? What else you
You already
got?
know who I'm rooting for, bro.
Oh damn. What you rooting for? What you rooting for?
It's Team Bride on this side.
Team Bride. What
It's
you
Team
know
Bride
about
over
that?
here.
What you know about that
You
Team
know,
Bride?
Hey, you gotta have the booty looking good.
You gotta have that ass looking fat. Alright, let's get it. Oh, we got some people racing right now. What the hell? Alright, this is the final product.
He got the drip drop.
Ooh, what you know about that? What you know about that?
Turn around, do a little
Okay,
walk, do a little walk.
okay, okay, okay. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, okay, alright, I see you. I see you. I see you. Okay, okay. You ain't gotta flex on him that hard. God damn. Alright, we finna go to the mall and show everybody his new drip. These things looking spiffy. Alright, so we're about to buy a towel for this guy because he's about to get slimed. He in public right now. Getting a lot of eyes, a lot of weird eyes, but it's okay. It's alright. It's all worth it, right?
No.
Nah, alright.
You know, what if we just didn't do the YouTube channel? I feel like that's an option. We could just not do it. Just live our lives like normal people.
I mean, yeah, but you do look kind of cute in them shoes, so.
Alright, chill out.
I do like your boxing coat. niggas.
Team
Yeah, you ready for a fight? Team
Bryan.
Bryan, you know what I'm saying?
We going in. I wish my shoes would stop clacking.
Yeah, towels over here, dog.
Hey, do you want to get posed up on that chair?
Bro, come on, son.
Just secured the towel for this guy right here. About to go to the checkout, see what's popping.
Maybe we should have gotten one of those $10 towels.
It's still expensive, bro. Nobody trying to spend $10 on a towel.
Probably would have got 30 of towels for $10 right there, too.
You know how like you put water on something when it's cold, like it's extra cold?
Yeah.
I wonder if it's the same way with slime.
Maybe.
Ready for this shit?
Get in the grass. Get in the grass, man. Oh man.
Oh my god, there you go.
Oh,
This thing's going down really
it's
slow, bro.
All right.
There you go. Damn.
oh man. Hey, chill out. Hey. Oh man.
Go, bro.
Oh man. Let me get a cut. Let me get a hit. Let me get a,
bro.
Let me get a hit.
Bro,
Come on,
let's
come
go.
on.
This shit is cold as fuck. Let's go.
Take it off.
Take off this.
It's so fucking cold.
Oh man. Look at this man. Look at this man.
Fuck. Just fuck. It's so sticky.
Oh man.
Oh, it's so fucking sticky.
It's
so sticky.
Oh man.
Oh my god. How you feeling? What? How you feeling?
Just sticking to it.
Oh my god.
Hey, so you know, there's this thing. I heard about it a while back. I thought it was pretty interesting. It's on the website www.eatadick.com.
Yeah.
It's where both of you go fuck yourselves and like eat a dick. So I think y'all should definitely look into that.
Okay, bet. I'll definitely make sure my free time I'm gonna go check it out. That's it for the video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe.
And like it up.
Comment
And
if you liked
remember
it.
that I'm getting their asses back. Y'all
Hey,
don't want to see
man.
that shit. Trust me.
Make sure you guys are tuned in.
That was wild.
It's been real. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.
Peace.